Hello, traders. Wanted to make a quick video on just 6 areas where traders fail. And if I'm being honest, where I have failed as well. We all have failed if you've traded for any amount of time. As we begin to wind down this course, we just really grinded hard, pushed out a lot of content on, just a lot of technical analysis, how to mark up your charts, where the buyers and sellers are. But all of that is really meaningless if um, you're not able to implement winning strategies and have a mindset where you're approaching the market, that you're a winner and that you're not going to repeat the same mistakes that a lot of traders make. So the first area is over trading. So I trade, I trade the S&P 500, I trade gold, I trade pound yen, and US 30. So those are my four bread and butter. I could pull up pretty much any chart, mark it off and know where to get in and get out. But I keep it at those four because if I continue to expand more currencies and more instruments that I'm looking at, then that could just tempt me to want to overtrade and take more positions and expose myself more than I should. The second is no risk management, or if you do have a risk management plan, you don't follow it because you don't want to lose money. A lot of people don't like to lose. You have to be okay with losing. Just like we talked about in our risk management video, the first thing that you should think about after you have your account set up is how much am I comfortable losing? You have to get in that mindset because it's going to happen. And once you're okay with that, then you could follow your plan a lot easier. The third is too many chart distractions, man. Like, man, I've seen some messed up charts. You got the supply and demand, you got Bollinger Bands, moving averages, you got an RSI, a stochastics, you got volumes. I mean, it's just too much, man. It's too much. Paralysis by analysis is what it's called, man. Like just having too much going on. All right, so keep it simple. I draw my zones, fresh zones. I start from scratch, once a day, once every other day, just so I can make sure that I'm having the freshest view of the market. All right. Four is chasing a set daily dollar amount. So we all have goals. I like to trade and have a percentage goal for the month in mind. Good thing about that is it doesn't put pressure on me to make a certain amount of money every day. Some days I don't trade at all. Some days I lose. But I know that at the end of the month, I'm eventually going to hit those winning trades, and I'm going to hit my goal and maybe even exceed my goal. All right, so don't chase a set daily dollar amount. Don't tell yourself I'm in it to get $100 a day, $1,000 a day. Set yourself a goal so that way, on average, at the end of the month, you can say, "Oh man, I averaged out $1,000 a day." I had a couple massive trades, and really that's all you need, man. Take the pressure off yourself. Enjoy your time. Enjoy the money that you make. Because if you're sitting in front of the chart chasing price all day, then what are you even trading for? You're just as much in bondage to this as you would be with a 9 to 5 job. All right. Number 5 is no trading plan. So I hope from this course, you've been able to pick and choose what you like, or maybe you like it all, and be able to incorporate as much as you can into a solid trading plan. And by that, I mean, when am I entering the market? What are my conditions? When I do enter, what's my stop loss? What's my risk? What am I aiming for? What currency pairs am I trading? What setups am I looking for? Just kind of make your plan and work off of that. And then the last is not enough time practicing. So because there is a low barrier of entry to the Forex and the futures market, a lot of major brokers, they'll allow you to open a live account with as little as $100. A lot of people, they demo trade for a month, and then they think they're ready. Then they go in to the live game and they blow their whole account. So make sure you're practicing. I mean, even if you are a consistent live trader, I still have a demo account. Some things that sometimes I just want to try out some new stuff. Always practice, always demo it out, rep it out. Repetition is key. Practice makes perfect. So keep your demo account handy, keep it active. And I would say if you're watching this for the first time and this is your first dip into Forex, I mean, you want to be on the demo between 3 to 6 months at least. All right. And if you do open a live, don't dump all your life savings into there. All right. Start off small, get your strategies down, hit your percentage goal every month, and then scale up from there. All right. So I want to keep this short because we're not doing a whole lot of jumping around the charts. I know it could get kind of boring. But just write this down, take a picture, man, tape it on your computer. For me, it's a good note to know what not to do. That helps me to see it right in front of my face. Okay. I hope this has helped. Our goal here is just to make people profitable traders, man. But this game is all mental, really. It's all mental. So if you can master this, if you could discipline yourself, then you'll be good and you'll have a long, profitable trading career. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.